backed up on the other side. Is it? No, it's not. But there seems to be way more cars coming back than going towards the highway. The lights look very pretty from here, but I don't like these new lights that the cars come with. They literally blind you. You're just trying to drive, and then you see a F350 Duramax battery car coming at you, blinding you, and you don't even know what to do. It looks like this guy either broke down or he can't go in the snow. Looks like he has an SUV though. I'm not sure what the problem is. It looks like we got another guy up there, and then this guy just turned on his hazards. Don't know if that was to warn me. Oh my gosh. This guy spun out. Did he spin out? Looks like he was coming out of the highway and just... Oh my gosh. I don't even know how he did that. Because there's... Okay, that guy just ran a red light. Nice. Whew. We are driving through Final Destination right now. It's so foggy. It's the lake. Where's the lake? Didn't even know there was water here. Why is this fog here? Oh my gosh, look how there's a fire. Look at all that smoke. Whew. We're in the clouds, boys. We're in the clouds. Oh my gosh. Come on, come on, come on. Green light, green light, green light. There we go, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got that green light. Jeez. Can't even get traction. This dude has his high beams on. Oh my gosh. Yo, I hate when people drive with their high beams on. It's like, bro, please spare us. I also gotta get my mufflers cut off ASAP. Straight pipe this. Or get an exhaust, but would I rather spend $100 going straight pipe or $2,000 full exhaust setup? I don't know. Tough choices, tough choices. I think the straight pipe is the better cost-effective thing here, because I just want the car loud. Plus, I don't think the exhaust is really gonna add any horsepower difference to the RT unless we tune it. And even if we did tune it, an exhaust probably like adds 5 to 10 horsepower, since we don't have like a supercharger or something in here. If I'm not putting a lot of air in, there shouldn't be a lot of air going out. Like it has purple headlights. Nice. Can we, what if I just floored it? Oh, nice. Spectacular, dude. That literally sucks on the other side. They got the snow plows in front of them, and you can't pass them. Wow. Man. However long your commute is, you gotta add another 30 minutes to an hour, depending on if you gotta follow them all the way to wherever you're going. Those snow plows are no joke. And if you try to pass them, they'll rip up your windshield. Literally, rocks on top of rocks on your windshield. You're gonna have rock chips all over your car. It's just not worth it. Just not worth it. You just gotta sit back and enjoy the ride at that point. because those rock chips are not worth it. I did that once. Whew. Sounded like my car was blowing up. I was scared to go outside after and drive. This looks like a traffic jam. It's almost midnight. Why is everyone coming into my lane? Stay in your lane, oh my. That's what I get for saying that people make their own lanes. Because these semi-trucks are literally, like, what is happening here? Like what is going on? Like, I'm gonna need this big boy to get out my grill real quick. I don't know where he's driving. I don't know where I'm driving. I'm about to cut him off though. I'm about to cut this Jeep off. That's crazy. I didn't cut no one off, but it was all up in my way. It's like there's way too many people out at this time for this weather. They should not be out right now. And you can say the same thing about me, but I got places to be.